Want to freeze your iPhone location without others noticing? Start by opening the Find My app and making sure it shows your current location. From here, you have a few options. The simplest is to tap Me at the bottom, then switch off Share My Location. This locks your location to the last place it was recorded. But keep in mind, anyone checking might see that location sharing has been turned off. Another trick is enabling airplane mode from the control center. This stops location updates, but it also cuts off calls, texts, and Wi-Fi, so it isn't the most practical solution. The most effective method is to shift location sharing to another device signed in with your Apple ID. Go to Settings, tap your name, then choose Find My. Switch location sharing from your iPhone to another Apple device, like an iPad or Mac. That way, it looks like you're still at that device's location, even if you're somewhere else. That's how you can freeze your iPhone location without raising suspicion. If this helped you, tap like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.